Yeah, so today we're at the Principality Stadium. The girls are playing in the Welsh Schools and Colleges final, and winning the cup 4 times in a row at the stadium is no mean feat, and that's all down to the programme and the hard work of the girls. So yeah, delighted for them.
Our season's been really successful so far. We're still unbeaten, that's both Welsh Colleges and Ace League as well. So we're unbeaten in both leagues at the moment, so we're doing really, really well. I think just coming together as a team and how well we've bonded this year. I think we've clicked really well, we've gelled really well, and that's from the off. So I think that's how we've ended up being so successful in our games.
What we look to do is try and give the girls the best opportunity to live the life of a professional rugby player without actually being a pro. It's a great opportunity for girls to come and get a good educational background and also get a full rugby programme as well. So if you're looking for a real good opportunity, just like today, these opportunities have been given to us, Coleg Gwent's a really good opportunity for you.